Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing, unbagging, and I think I know what this is. So let's open it up. So this is something that I ordered during Amazon Prime days, and it came very quickly, but you probably won't see this for a while because I have a lot of videos queued up. So let's see what we have. Oh, there was someone going by in a car and screaming outside. Apologize for that. This is a teeny tiny Paul Rubens watercolor paper journal. So it fits in my hand. It's got hardcover, and let's just get it out of the plastic so you guys don't have to deal with the glare from the overhead lights. So let's open this up. All right. So I recently have been buying a lot of Paul Rubens paint. I bought 2 sets of 24 paint tins. I love them both. The first one I got was a cheaper one that was $29.99. I think it was the 4th generation. And the one I got during Amazon Prime was $55 on sale, regular $70. And this is the Paul Rubens book. I have one in pink that's bigger. I would say it's like 2 of these together in size. And then when I saw they had these small ones, I wanted one, but they're $14.99 and I didn't want to pay $14.99. But during Prime sale, they went on sale for $11.99. So I thought, yeah, I'll pay $11.99 just to see. So you can see it comes with the branding. It tells you Paul Rubens. It's got your picture here. So this is cotton cold press 20 sheets, 300 GSM. Which I believe is 140 pounds. And I think I'm just going to have to tear this because it doesn't want to come off. Wow, wow. That tape is sturdy. The paper is ripping, but not the tape. What's up with that? Now, look how adorable and shiny and sparkly this is. And the other reason I got it is because the recent tin of paints that I got is this exact color. Hang on, I'll show you. Just give me a second. I'll grab it for you. I think I'll grab them both. So this was the first set of Paul Rubens that I bought. I don't even know if that video's out on the channel yet. Hopefully it will be by the time you see this. And this is the second set of Paul Rubens that I bought. This is a black tin, but this tin is like this. So let's just take a quick look. I did the unboxing on the channel. But I thought, look how cute that goes together. I had to get it. Isn't that perfect? So anyway, this is not about the paint. So I have to tell you, I have been so enjoying both of these sets of paint. To be honest, I like the colors that came with this one better. Not better. I like the colors in this one too, but if I could only buy one of them, I would have got this one because it just has the range of colors that I really like. This one also has beautiful colors, and when I put them together, I have almost their whole line of paints because there are different colors in here than in here, which is awesome. So yeah, but look how perfect this book goes with that set. So it has this elastic to keep it closed, and it has this elastic, which is, oh no, that's not an elastic. I think this is just to tell you what page you're on. I don't know. What's that all about? Yeah, this is just a ribbon. So this is like a bookmark. And this is the elastic. There's no pocket at the back. A lot of watercolor sketchbooks do have pockets at the back. But this is a nice paper, you guys. It's got perforated edges, and you can get it to lie flat with some difficulty. So it almost lies flat. Can you see that? Just not quite. But I like their paper, and I thought this is really nice for plein air. The one that I have is 2, but I would have to bring my bigger kit. But this would fit in my smaller kit, which is nice because I just like it. You know what? I just like it. And for $11.99, I was out of control. I got all of these together, but this came first, and now today this came. So I just thought these would go really nicely together. And if I could have found this book in the bigger size on sale for the Prime, I would have got the bigger one too. And I would have had all three, but I could not find it. The one that I have at home is pink. So the pink one is beautiful too. The pink and gold is gorgeous. Now, I did not get the pink and gold paints, the paint tin. Like, the paints inside are the same. But I really like the black and gold. And normally I love pink, but this time, I don't know, I was just in a mood to get the black and gold. So that is it. If you've tried the Paul Rubens journals, let me know if you like them. So I'm excited about this, and they have really good ratings. So yeah, and they're regular $14.99. So the size is 5.2 wide by 3.8 inches high. So you can just see, like, it fits in my palm of my hand. Here's my little tiny scissors. My scissors are bigger. Here is my water bottle that I use. So you can see a water bottle is quite a bit bigger. But these are fun. I like these books. I love the hardcover. They seem like a quality book, and I had to get it. So $11.99 Canadian on Amazon Prime, regular $14.99. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. Happy painting. Happy shopping. Bye, guys.